Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị sị unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mgbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fasịsọ anyị na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme dị iche iche na Igbo midia. Dịka o si dị, o nwee nnukwu ya wetara unu ebe akwụkwọ gbasara maka ife na-eme n'obodo a. Anyị ga-achọkwu nke ya bụ ife unu ga-esia ya, unu adọrọpụrụ anyị kọmentị n'ife unu chere n'ụdị nke unu gbasara maka ya bụ ife niile ekwu n'iru akwụkwọ. Alright, over to you, sir.
So they look at how is it going to be possible unless Igbo man will, a genuine Igbo man will become president, and from there do this, do that, do that. Unless all the politicians in Igbo land in Biafra territory will come to one and decide. These are always their suggestion. Unless those millionaires in Biafra territory will come together and fund. So to them, having not seen all those things in place, they believe that Biafra will take a longer time. They don't contribute. They don't involve. These are the second set of people mind toward Biafra restoration. The very last set of people are the people that believe that Biafra is here, that we own Biafra and Biafra belongs to us, that it is within our power to restore Biafra, and that Biafra will be restored in this our time. Now, do you see these three sets of people? Ask yourself question: where do you belong to? The last set of people I just mentioned is the hardcore Biafra. Nothing move them, nothing shake them, even to the point of death. They have only one request, one single request. When they knew that there is no way for life for them, they have only, if you get close to them, they will only ask you for one thing. And do you know what they normally say? My brother, fight on. They will tell you this. My brother, fight on. Never give up. Fight on. Fight on is always their last word. And as that dropping, they are coming back the next day to continue. That is who we are. And that is why Nigeria terrorist states are totally in confusion. They could not understand anything. We are not giving up. We will never give up. No Biafra, no peace for Nigeria. That is what you need to know. And that is why I'm here to tell you that until Biafra is restored, nobody will sleep. Nobody will have peace. So nothing you can do to stop us. Today is the 14 days. Today, nothing happened. No war, because they have tired. I've told you that all their eyes they mounted in our midst, we have arrested all of them. And so they did not have, since they did not have any information coming out from the midst of us, how we take arrange their death, they are no longer pushing forward. They are no longer pushing forward. That is why the war. Hold on. What was giving them morale have been quenched. We don't quench the fire where they give them morale, because their informant was among us, telling them how we move, where we lay ambush, where we keep some things that will definitely send them to hell. And so while they are coming, the informant also tell them the easier way to bypass our judgment route, and that gave them morale. But they did not know that the owner of the land know themselves. And now that we get all their eyes blind, they don't know us. They don't know the way again. They don't even want to come close again, because everything is changed. Formation is changed. I've told you we are learned. I've told you we are well trained. I've told you, you thought I was joking. Come again. Just make 1 inch of your step and see what will happen to you. They are looking for another person to bribe, maybe to see if we can help them out again. But don't forget that we are always 1,000 steps ahead of you. Yes, that is who we are. That is who we are. Always 1,000 steps ahead of you. So when we say you cannot win us this war, we mean it. You will never win, even in 1,000 years to come. You only come here to die. Finish. And you go buy. You must buy in the land of the rising sun. You must buy. So I'm still here to give you that warning. If you know that you want to sell your soul to the devil, remember and have this in mind, that you will never chop that money paid to you by the devil. You will not. You will not be one. And for those of you who are just neutral, you don't want to belong, you are neither Nigeria or Biafra. You are neither Nigeria or Biafra. I pity you. I really pity you. I pity you, because you must belong to one. And that is why I am so much happy for this voting, Biafra referendum voting. You must belong to one. Either you are Nigeria, it is either you are Nigerians or you are a Biafran. You must. It's a must. No going back. This one, no. Go come no day. And that is why I'm so happy. And nobody will say he didn't know, or she didn't know, or she's not aware, or he's not aware. You know, in the street for English, I wasn't informed, I was not aware. You must belong to somewhere. Because from the beginning, he that make it two, female and male, dead and alive. Nigeria and Biafra. You must belong to one. So there is nothing you will talk. You must belong to one. It is a must that you belong to one. Either you vote. So let me also say this. Those who did not vote for Biafra or vote for Nigeria, we will take that person that he vote for Nigeria. Because sometimes silent is not an excuse. Silent to me, it is another way of accepting the fault. That is another thing about the silent to me. Okay, silent to me is about the person have accept to do the thing. So definitely I've taken it to be that if you fail to do the voting, you have agreed that you belong to Nigeria, and we will treat your fuck up when time comes. We must treat your fuck up when time comes. May you know say no be child's play. And that money where you refuse to fund this struggle, it will be useless. Yes, make I tell you now, make I drop the English, make I use pidgin, make I simple tell una say, you see una when no one put support for this struggle, na no one support Simon Ekpabe, make una wait. Biafra dey here with us. We go tell you say this government na we get them, and when time come you go know. So for the fact say you no support, you no vote, you no be part of us. Yes, na me talk am. We will take it upon our, oh my goodness, make I no go there. Make I no go there. I will leave you for your faith. Make I come back talk wetin concern us. Make I talk wetin concern us. Today na im be 2 weeks since the war started. Today we no fight war. Yesterday we didn't fight war see 8 o'clock, then just dey far throw bomb, 2 bomb, and we were expecting them to come close, but they could not. So therefore, as I told you, the delicious food we cook for them, we are making it as many as possible so that we go share it to them. They know how we dey do. See Musa dey cry. Musa is crying. Can somebody ask the idiot wetin dey do am? He say the civilian dey kill. They call us civilian. He say then they kill military people. Say he is going to avenge. Wetin they call? Revenge. Avenge for their death. When military fight with military, what do you expect? Then come to our land, what do you really expect to happen? You never cry, you never start crying. Permit me to use this privilege to warn you Biafrans never to join the hunger protest that is going on in the zoo. They are looking for the way to kill you more. If you take now, look at it. Oh, Hausa is doing it. Oh, no killing. Oh, Yoruba is doing it. Oh, no killing. Oh, immediately you start your own, then go kill you, because they are finding every means to reduce you. This is what the Britain tell them. Then told them to reduce you. That the more they reduce your size, your number, the more they reduce your strength. But what they did not know is that we are more even powerful and dangerous when we are not much. That is what they don't know. But please, for those of you who do not belong to Biafra or belongs to Nigeria, for those of you who still belongs to Nigeria and you are in the Biafra territory, stay clear from the streets of Biafra in the name of protest, because death is waiting for you. Period. I will not repeat myself again. What really concerns us is, for those of you who did not know that Biafra are in another civil war again, you should bear in mind that we have already fought 14 days now. Civil war civil war. They came to commit another genocide, but Chukwukikabiama no gree. All their machinery don't run comot finish. Oh, abeg, let us allow us to enjoy this.
Please don't let me lose. Don't make me lose. If you give me one chance for my success, I go choose.
God Chukwukikabiama will never let us lose. The only one chance he gave us, we must make sure say we use it to restore Biafra. That is what they did not know. We determine, and that is why we are here. We must secure this ground of Biafra very safety to our children and our children unborn without their presence. They really know the mission of Biafra. Success, we can never go down. Success to sunrise, because we are the children of the rising sun. Forward ever, backward can never be our portion. No retrieve, no surrender. If they know, they know. If they don't know,
This street is so crazy. I just pray to God to give me the grace. Make I create this street.
the grace is too much in us to create this history. Too much grace upon the children of the rising sun. Why are you not joining? Why are you decided to be a neutral somebody? Too much grace, I dey tell you, too much grace, too much grace, too much grace dey there. Just tap the grace, let's go there. Those of you thinks it is easy. Biafra is not cheap. Biafra is not cheap, and anything that is cheap is not valuable. That is it. That is why we believe it's not going to be easy. From the onset, we know that it's not going to be easy, but we take that bold step that anyhow it is, we must reach the destination. So I challenge you who think that you can stop this Biafra restoration. Come forward and see wetin your body will tell you. That is the most important things. Wetin we go tell our children if they ask us why didn't us secure a better land for them? Wetin we go tell our children if we fail? That is why we cannot afford to fail this very quest of restoration of Biafra, because we don't get anything to tell our children now. Yes, and that is why I'm always telling you that we have taken an oath to restore Biafra. No going back. We have taken an oath to restore Biafra, that our children and our children in which we are going to hand over this struggle into them will enjoy the land of Biafra without the presence of these terrorists called Nigeria, Fulani, Hausa, Yoruba and Britain. Their presence will never be found. Our children will enjoy good school, good hospital, good road, running water, stable light. I am telling you the gospel truth. We can never fail, and that is why we must fight till we restore Biafra. We dey play them sanku. They don't even see our dribble step. Tell me the truth. Did they believe that it would be like this? They never believe. because they do not know how we take handle them. They do not believe how we take pass them. They never even see our back. We don't pass them since they go forward. They are still behind us. Nigeria will remain backward forever. Forever and ever. If you doubt me, if you say I'm lying, ask your pastor. Those who say that 2024 Tinubu will turn economic round, one naira will be equal to $1. Alpha, idiot! You think say na Gary where you go turn economy around? I bet you before Easter will finish, naira will be 2,500 per dollars. Every single day your stubbornness they increase. Have I not tell you that Nigeria is the only country that move backward? Then they walk, then they use their back, they waka. They know they waka go front. No. Their eye they for back. As the motor they reverse, now so Nigeria they reverse backward. They know they go forward. And Nigeria know they go forward. So every day you move forward, Nigeria will make a step backward. Tomorrow in Nigeria go better than today. Mark my word. Tomorrow something where you buy 5 naira today, as you dey enter tomorrow na 10 naira you go buy. As you dey enter next tomorrow na 15 naira you go buy. Some of you wish say you never live yesterday. Some of you are wishing that you wish you never live yesterday, you remain yesterday. We don't pass, you go far. We don't pass, you go far. Hunger will kill you. Yeah. What did I don't know? Nothing is more than Biafra. Nothing is important than Biafra. Nothing we want than Biafra. Surely Biafra that we want. And it is only Biafra that we will get. There is no two ways about that. If you say that Biafra will not come over your dead body, may it be so. Your body will be dead and Biafra will still come. And if you say that what we are doing does not have head, may Chuko Gikabiama cut your head and put inside what we are doing that they may have head. And those who come that they may take our life, may them end up losing their life in place of our own. Because we are here fighting the just cause. We are in the territory of Biafra. We are the children of the rising sun. We are Biafrans. This is the land of our ancestors. And in this land of our ancestors, believe you me, we go nowhere. And as you are coming to fight us, bear in mind that we are your end. And the land of Biafra will end you. You go no. You will never go back alive. Yes. That is what I can tell you. Having said this to you, allow me to bless the children of light. All the good children of light who are labor day in, day night to ensure that this kingdom of God is being restored in our time. I challenge you. You must live and see Biafra. You must enjoy the labor of your hand. No evil shall befall you. Your enemy will keep falling. Those that wanted to laugh at you will end up begging for your mercy. So shall it be in Eke, in Ore, in Afo, and in Nkwo, now and forevermore. He say, remain blessed until I come your way next time, maybe tomorrow, if God wish. May Chukwu Kikabiama guide and stand to all my fellow congrats, wherever they find themselves. Victory is ahead. Victory and protection and guiding from Chukwu Kikabiama to all of you is my wish. And Papa never failed to grant me my wish. As long as my wish is for the good of the land will guide and protect all of you now and forevermore. He say, good night.
And the by Dalo Lineno only Konisi when I saw any and many rock on Pasinketa. I say Kopasinketa Malo Numa. I think which Korea zero. And the Cosidi and the Kindle if I be a Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa. Zoduki Biabo Iabo Ibo Media. Kaisiko when you tell Nukozia do Kemba. Geniki when you Kubasta Makaya Biafra. Kabaroke drop for your comment, your own suggestion. Ni endani the Biafran Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Igbo Media. Daro no munem kemesian.